Hello, welcome to the Jungopharm's tutorial on how to create an account. This video will walk you through the steps needed to create an account on Jungopharm. So let's get started. First, we'll start by accessing the Jungopharm website on the browser at jungopharm.com. It takes you to our official website, and to create an account, click on the Create Account button over here, which takes you to the Jungopharm business application page. Simply, what you'll do is fill in your business details, starting with your business name. For example, if you have a pharmacy, by the name New World Pharmacy, all you have to do is type in the name, then enter the physical address. Say maybe you're in Nairobi CBD. Proceed to fill in your email address. And then select the user type, if you are a distributor, a pharmacy, or a manufacturer. After that, click on the next button and it will take you to a second page where you fill details as the business owner or the admin. Type your first name, then your last name. Enter your phone number and select a country, whether you're in Kenya, Malawi, Lesotho. For our case, we'll go with Kenya. Type in a password of your choice and click submit. And that's it. You've successfully created a Jungopharm account. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.